Hi guys, welcome back to the garage. I'm not even waiting for the weekend anymore. I'm doing these videos during the week. I couldn't help it. I got another yummy in the mail. So I got, look, the Earthly Souls and Spirits deck by Terry Foss. Now I understand this is like the second or third edition, but one of my friends and subscribers, this deck actually brought her to full-on tears, and so I was like, oh, then I gotta have this deck. If it's got that kind of emotion in it, I gotta have this deck. So it's so cute. It's all wrapped up in this pretty purple. Oh my. Look at this. Oh, how cute. Yeah, she sent me a little Snickers almond bar in the package. That's so sweet. For a tarot deck, you get a little bit of candy. How awesome is that? Of course, her business card. Terry Foss, Earthly Souls and Spirits. Now I've seen this deck on Etsy, but you know, I was kind of like, I don't know. But oh look, I got some English tea, chamomile. Ooh, nice. Oh, there's just goodies in here. She's just put in stuff. What is this? Look, there's a cute little bag. Oh, that's lavender and a tea light candle. It's all loose in there, but let's see. You can see the tea light candle there through the bag. So I've got lavender and a tea light candle. I love lavender. Love, 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 love. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Is this cute? It's a little welcome to the Haunted Mansion napkin. That's so cute. And then, ta-da, the bag in the deck. Okay. The bag. Ooh, oh my goodness. So, it's a very nice muslin bag. Very nice muslin bag. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? That's the art card, I'm thinking. Ooh, I love that. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is all the meanings. And I like it. It is paper, but see, it's got all the card meanings here, and then it's got a couple of spreads on the front, but it's like the laminated kind of paper, so I like that. That'll last longer, definitely. And then the deck, and it's tied with this sweet little yarn. Nice. Okay, here we go, guys. So here is the backs. I understand are all different pictures of the moon phases that her daughter took. And so so the backs of the cards, and each of them have a different, I think there's 7 different photographs that are on the back of these cards. So I'll go until I get to the, there we go. Okay, wow, it's a good cardstock. They had to be hand cut because they're uneven, which is okay. They're still pretty good. They're not that uneven, really, so they feel really nice. Okay, so here's the front card. Earthly Souls and Spirits Oracle, our collection of 59 intuitive oracle cards and guide, were designed by my daughter Sarah and I. We both have a deep love for the moon and nature. My goddess, witch, fairy themed paintings paired with an inspirational word are featured on one side of our card collection, meant to offer love, light, and positive energy into your life. The reverse side is graced with moon phases, each photographed and designed by my Sarah. Brightest blessings, Terry and Sarah. That's so sweet. That's so sweet. How nice. Oh, here we go. So, joyous. And this was the miniature art card I got. That's so cool. So, okay. Wisdom. Oh, devoted. These are our gorgeous cards. Rejoice. They're huge. I will tell you, they're big. But the art is just unbelievable. Wow. Why did I not get these sooner? Holy smokes. Aw. That's beautiful. Authentic. Success. Angelic. Oh, I love this card. Radiant. That's a gorgeous card. Blossom. Relax. Wow. Why did I wait so long to get these? Oh my God, these are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. Wow. Wow. They're glossy, but not too glossy. They don't stick together. Light. Oh. I love this because when you look up close, you can actually see the brush strokes from the painting in these cards. It's amazing. You can tell that some of this was drawn with pencil and pen. Wow. The I know what it is. The painting texture. That's what it is. The painting texture is there. When you see the cards up close, you can see like the canvas in the back. Wow. Got a frog in my throat. Spiritual. Wish. God, these are gorgeous. Oh, I'm so glad I got these. So glad I got these. I got goosebumps. Oh, look at the kitty with the wings. And of course, it can't hurt that it's witches, cats, and moons. I mean, come on. Balance. Wow. Hope. Divinity. Wow. Centered. Magical. Blessed. Ooh, wow. There's a lot going on in that card. Ooh. Clarity. Aw, nurture. Ooh, I like this one. Faith. Love that. Gorgeous. Tranquility. Focus. Oh, gratitude. The colors are just amazing. I mean, seriously, when they're, look at those gorgeous colors. Beautiful. These are amazing. Absolutely amazing, you guys. Wow. I'm totally loving this deck. I don't know what took me so long to get this thing, but I am so glad that I did. Oh, mystical. Meditate. Oop, I'm losing cards. Confidence. Celestial. Energy. Manifest. She's one of the few that actually has a face, so that's interesting to me. Enchanted. And then lastly, I love it, Goddess. Look at that. I'm going to try and get up close here. So can you see these lines? Those are canvas lines. So you can see where she actually photographed the canvas to turn these into cards. So I love this. Love, 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 love. Thank you, my friend, who told me about this deck. I don't know why I waited so long to get it, but now I got it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys should get this deck, too, if you don't have it. Ooh, big old breeze here. So, there you have it. Terry Foss, Earthly Souls and Spirits. You can find it on Etsy. And much love, and I'll see you guys next time.